Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Stripe subscriptions in Flutter with RevenueCat detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Stripe subscriptions in Flutter with RevenueCat, start by setting up your RevenueCat account. Log in to your RevenueCat dashboard. Create a new project and select Stripe as your payment provider. Add your products by navigating to the Products section. Click on Add Product and fill in the necessary details, including the product name and pricing. Once your products are created, locate the API Keys section in your RevenueCat dashboard. Copy your public and secret API keys for use in your Flutter application. Now, open your Flutter project in your preferred IDE. Add the RevenueCat SDK package to your pubspec.yaml file. Run Flutter pub-get to install the new package. Next, initialize RevenueCat in your Flutter app. Do this in the main function by using purchases.setDebugLogs enabled, true, for easier debugging. Set your RevenueCat public API key using purchases.configure, purchases configuration, your _public API key. Now, create a subscription screen in your Flutter app. Add a button for users to initiate the subscription process. When the button is pressed, call the purchases.purchasePackage method with the relevant package details. Handle the response to check if the purchase was successful or if there were any errors. Next, you need to set up webhooks in your Stripe account. Go to the Stripe dashboard and navigate to the Developers tab. Select Webhooks and click on Add Endpoint. Enter your RevenueCat webhook URL to receive subscription events. Choose the relevant events to listen for, like checkout.session.completed and customer.subscription.updated. In your Flutter app, implement logic to listen for subscription status changes. Use RevenueCat's purchases.getCustomerInfo method to fetch the latest subscription status. Display the relevant information to users, such as their current subscription plan. Make sure to handle any subscription renewals or cancellations appropriately. To test your integration, create a test product in Stripe and use the test environment. Run through the complete subscription flow and troubleshoot any issues. After successful testing, deploy your app to your preferred platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.